bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Piers. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run, bàbá olóyin ìgàn, bàbá olóyin original. I'm staying at Yesota, bàbá olóyin bus stop, bàbá olóyin bus stop, Yesota. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Solution to Woman Problems, Healing Power of Honey. You can get all these books as e-books. Yes, you can get them as e-books. We can send the books to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. You can get all these our books on our WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number for this program you are watching, the station you are watching today is Kenny Show. Kenny Show television is the program. Yes, Kenny Show. My WhatsApp number is 081 084 31336. 081 084 31336. It's on the screen as you are seeing it. Yes, I've been talking about bitter leaf before. Today, I will still teach you another way you can use bitter leaf. In my book, Honey as a Medicine, I told you how can you remove hatred from your body, how you can receive favor from people. When you have a dull moment in your shop, how you can use bitter leaf. Today, I will teach you another dimension, another ways of using bitter leaves. Don't forget, our books are not on Amazon. Yes, the only WhatsApp number that can give you our books, that you can get our books is 081 084 31336. Our books are not yet on Amazon. You can't get my books there. The books written by Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, bàbá olóyin original. You can't get them at Amazon. Honey as a Medicine, Honey as a Medicine, African Power, Solution to Woman Problems, Healing Power of Honey. They are not on Amazon. You can't get them at Amazon. The only WhatsApp number that can send the books to you as e-books is WhatsApp number you are seeing. Or you can see another number. That is Baba Oloyin original television number. You can send your message in that one as well. 08054749455. See it on the screen. Baba Oloyin original television. That is another number, another WhatsApp number that can send the books to you. Apart from these two numbers, if any other person send books to you as e-books, don't call me if you have any inquiry. I will not answer you. Because the only authoritative source that can send books to you as e-books is the number I called, that I mentioned to you as WhatsApp number. Don't forget, I will teach you how to use this one. Just get seated. Then all my followers, all my subscribers, I always tell you, try to do the things I've been teaching you. Some people will be calling me, I want to see you, I want to see you, I want to see you. You don't need to see me unless when it is on a serious matter. Most of the things you want to see me for, I have put it inside the books. You can try it by yourself. I explain it better. And if I teach you something on YouTube, follow it. Not that somebody else will just be calling me, and the thing you talk about bitter leaf, I don't hear well. The data is with you. The phone is with you. Replay back. You will see what I discuss about it or what I mentioned there. Don't forget, original is very scarce now. But when you buy my books, I will be able to sell small quantity for you. I have a branch at Mushin, number 4 Alokolaro Street, Mushin. Number 4 Alokolaro Street, Mushin bus stop. I have a branch at Surulere. I have a branch at Bariga. I have a branch at Sele Egbe, Ikotun. I have a branch at Oshodi. If you call me, I will give you the address of all those people. Today, as I mentioned, yes, don't forget to watch my sister station, Baba Oloyin original television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Watch it. You see all the videos I posted there. It will benefit you. Then don't forget Mr. Lashbon Comedy Adewusi. You will just press Mr. Lashbon Comedy Adewusi. If you see that thing, you need to say, oh, I posted something there. Yes. If at the time if you normally go out early in the morning and you fear all these boys that they normally rob in the morning, they used to snatch phone, they used to collect money from people. The little thing you can do is I posted it on Mr. Lashbon Comedy Adewusi. Just press Mr. Lashbon Comedy Adewusi. You will see what I taught people there. When people have been doing like this for me there, and they are doing as well for Mr. Lashbon, who received me as a guest there. And I told you, at least 2 or 3 times in a month, I will be featuring on that channel. You will see. Even some things that I never post here, if you listen to that channel, you will see me there. Mr. Lashbon Comedy Adewusi. Press it, you will enjoy me there. Today, I want to teach you about bitter leaf again. This is bitter leaf, ewuro. Yoruba call it ewuro. Igbo people like it. Yoruba people like it. Hausa people, they like it. Everybody like bitter leaf. They like to eat it as a vegetable, or they prepare it as a soup with egusi, with melon. But I want to tell you now that you can use it if people just hate you for nothing's sake. Sometimes people will just hate you. They say, ah, ìyá alágbájá, mo hate rẹ̀. Ọlọ́run dáríjì mi. I hate ìyá Bọ́sẹ̀. I don't like to see, I don't know. I just decide to hate her. May God forgive me. Some people used to say that. Ah, I hate ìyá Jùmọ̀kẹ́. Anytime you talk, I don't like to hear her voice. Why do they hate you? Are you the only person? In a house, when you rent house, face me, I face you house. Maybe we just hate you for nothing, without any cause. In office, some people, when they come to office, instead of coming to office by 8, you come by 8:15, they will shout, talk bad of you. Some people are coming by 9 a.m. They will not talk about that people. They will not talk about those people. It is you. Anytime you come late, or anytime you've absent yourself on duty, they give you query. And there are some people, they don't come for work for 2 days, 3 days. Nobody will challenge them. This is what you will do. You can get this one. You can get the dry one. But if you don't want to use the dry one, you are in a place where you can see the fresh one. And use grinder. Yes, blender. You can use blender to blend it. To blend it. Just small quantity like this. Blend it. Put it in your cream. Or put it in ade agbon. Yoruba call it ade agbon. That is coconut oil. Just get some quantity like this. Small quantity like this. You can use blender. You can use stone to grind it. Mix it with your cream. Mix it with your cream. Or put it inside coconut oil. When you put it inside coconut oil, put small drops of original honey inside it. Original honey. Put it inside it. Rub your face with it every day. People will not hate you again. People will like you. They will admire you anywhere you go. Even if it is a coconut oil you want to use, you call it ade agbon. If you do like this, if you do like this, you rub it with your hand like this. Put it inside the coconut oil. Add honey to it. It will work. But if you want to grind it with stone, you can grind it to blend it small. Put it in coconut oil or put it in cream, any cream of your choice. Put small drops of original honey. Drop original honey with it. Rub your face. You can use it to rub your body if you like. But if you don't want to rub your body, rub your face with it every morning before you go outside. You don't need to add anything to it apart from honey that you will add to it. And it will surely help you. It will work for you. Because after bitterness of bitter leaf, it is sweetness. when you taste it, it will be bitter. But later, it will come sweet. Those who hate you, they will like you. Then they begin to give you money. Try it. Don't forget my new book is coming. African Power Part 2. Forgiveness lives. Ewe origin. How are we going to use it? Ewe kill left me say, you can do me but nothing. It's a leaf. Ewe ma fọwọ́ kọmọ mi. Don't touch my children. There's a leaf for that. Ewe kill left me say, you better get it. Ewe kill left it's a leaf. Don't touch my children. You can use it to protect your children. Wait for me. By the special grace of God, you will meet me in a new book, African Power Part 2. Those of you that will enjoy African Power Part 1, many people are calling me, when are you releasing another book? When are you releasing another book? Some people are calling me, which is the latest book in the market? No, I said it's African Power. They say, when are you releasing another book? I'm working on it. You know, I used to release book every 5 years. But condition want me to release part 2 of this one. Because there are some things people say they still need. So, and supposed to be in African Power. So, African Power Part 2 is coming on the way by the special grace of God. Don't forget my books are not on Amazon. You can't get them there. The only WhatsApp number that can send you the books are the WhatsApp number I told you. You can get my books on 081 08 431 336. That's WhatsApp number. And the other one for Baba Oloyin Original Television, that is 080 54 74 9455. That's the only 2 WhatsApp number that can send books to you. Or you go to my agent at Mushin, number 4 Alukola Street, Mushin bus stop. Or come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. If you are not in Nigeria, you can get our book as e-books. As e-books, we send it to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. We are not on Amazon. If you buy a book where I don't advertise, if you ask me any question, I will not answer you. Because there's a record for anybody that buy books for me as e-books, or you buy from my agent. I will ask you, where did you buy your book? If you don't buy for me, I will not answer it. Don't forget, you can watch my other sister station, Baba Oloyin Original Television, and you watch Mr. Last Born Comedy. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. You see me there. Most of the time, we'll be featuring there to teach you some things like this. So, till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Baba Oloyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.